Hi everyone, this one is for my 8th grade cellos and basses. We're going to be working on page 8 in the Essential Elements book, or if you are reading off the photocopies, I've already scanned these pages and put them up for you, so feel free to print them out. I was able to print the whole page this time. Just make sure you print those out, and I wrote a lot of fingerings in too to help you out, okay? So you get to choose between 45 or 46, but I'm going to show you them both and you decide which one you like better, but practice them both so you get good at shifting on the D string. This whole page is about shifting on the D string. A lot of times, cellos, we shift on the A string when we have to. Basses, you shift on the G string when you have to. But we want to just get used to some other positions on the D string here. So the first two measures of 45 is easy. They're showing you what it's going to sound like in the next two measures when you shift. It should sound the same. So these are exercises. They're not real songs. They're just one-line exercises just to practice shifting. Okay, so here's 45. This is what we have here. Now remember what that sounds like. Okay, so notice that I shifted to a stretch 2 in 3rd position. That's why it has 3rd extended, because you're going to be stretching 2 and 4 when you shift in this one, okay? Then the next shift is going to be the same. And again, same thing. The ending's a little different. So we go from G to B, then shift back for E at the end. Okay? And then 46, I like 46 because it's kind of scale notes, not so much skipping around. And again, first two measures, introduce the notes, what they're going to sound like, and then after that, you're shifting to the notes G, A, and B. Those are G, A, and B on the D string now. So don't play this in first position, because I'll know when I hear your recording if you're playing open A's and if you're on the A string, okay? So here goes 46. Take a listen. Here comes the shift. So again, G, A, and B. Now moving on to bass, okay, so again, it sounds the same, just your shifting and your finger is going to be a little different. I can't play it, but I'll show you. I want you to imagine that this silver one is your high D tape. So like when you play your D scale and you go 1, 4, open, 1, 4, 2, 4 at the end, that would be like your high D tape. But now we're going to be on the D string, which that note is A, okay? So here we go. This is 45. You're going to go E, G, F sharp, A, G, A, B. That's the easy part. And now we're doing it on the D string. E, G, F sharp, A with your 4 in 3rd position. G will be 1. Then A with a 1. So now we're in 4th position, and B is a 4. Okay? And that would be like if you have that E tape, your 4 would be on that tape. And then you use the same fingers for the rest of the song. 46, again, I like 46 because it's kind of like a scale. You do have 2nd position in this one. So watch this one. It's going to go E, F sharp, G, A, B, A, G, F sharp. That's the easy part. Then E, F sharp with a 2, G, then A with a 1, B with a 4. So make sure you're listening that it sounds the same as the G, A, B on the G string did when you play G, A, B on the D string. Okay? All right, so that's the main thing. Again, listening to the recordings that I've already heard from people, those were the mistakes, like really just not listening to the notes you already had in 1st position and matching them in the higher positions, okay? So just be sure you're listening as best you can. Hopefully your instruments are in tune, and good luck. All right, that's for 2 weeks, guys. That's your work for, oh, I'm sorry, no. I'll show you the next one in another video. So that's for next week coming up. All right, guys, thank you. Bye.